Hello everybody, it's Ed here with Romero Roofing and Siding. Today we are here in Westchester. One of our project, we're replacing partial part of the house. We're replacing the roof. Today I'm going to show you what we're doing here. So here we customers having a leak on this flashing wall right here. Along the flashing wall there's a leak, and because the roof was replaced a couple years ago, and you know, whoever did the roof didn't replace the flashing, so he's been having leaks ever since the roof was replaced. So what we're doing here, we cut 3.5 inches up from the plywood. You know, we cut the siding off to be able to, you know, have access to the flashing, because this flashing has you know, when the siding is installed, the nails go through the flashing, so there's no way to replace the flashing without removing the siding. So that's what we do here. We cut the siding off so we can replace the flashing. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put ice and water shield going up the wall here, like creating a flashing with the ice and water shield. It's a type of one that layman that it is used for, you know, walls like this. So what we're gonna do after that, we're gonna install the shingles with all new flashing there, and then we're gonna install a on here we're gonna install a PVC board, and then there's gonna be a flashing that is gonna go underneath of the siding. It's gonna come over the PVC board, and it's gonna go down, so, you know, to prevent when the water comes down, it's not gonna get in the house. So I'll be back with the video once the you know, once the project is done, so I can show you what we have done here. All right everybody, I'm back with the video, and I'm gonna show you what we did here. So here we have we installed a PVC board, one full piece of PVC board on the flashing wall, and then we created this this little flashing here. As you can see, it goes under the siding about 1.5 inches, and it comes over the board, and it goes down, so there's no chances of water going in there. When the water runs down the siding, it's gonna hit the flashing, and the flashing is gonna kick the water away from the wall, so there's no chances of water getting in there. And that is how, you know, that's how you do replace the flashing. So this is the best way to do it. All right, if you like this video, please click like and share it. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.